Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to get IndiaMART lead details on WhatsApp automatically. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically on my WhatsApp, I should get a message notification of that lead that is generated in my IndiaMART account. For that, we need to create an automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect runs on two concepts, that is trigger and action. In this process, my trigger application is going to be IndiaMART and my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. I am creating a message template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want, you can use Vati or Interact to create your own message template. If you want to learn how to do this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to get IndiaMART lead details on WhatsApp automatically. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically a WhatsApp notification message should be forwarded on my number. For that, we need to create an automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. Then you can see all Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then you can see Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. To start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, we have to click on this button right over here that says Create Workflow. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Get IndiaMART lead details to WhatsApp automatically. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Then it is asking for us to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, we have to click on this drop down arrow right over here. So these are the folders that I've created in my Pabbly Connect account. As I want to save this workflow in IndiaMART automations folder, I'm going to select the folder. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Get IndiaMART lead details to WhatsApp automatically, and there are 2 windows in front of you which says Trigger and Action. These are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these 2 steps. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, we're going to set up a trigger step. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here, as we want that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically a WhatsApp notification should be forwarded. For that, in our trigger step for our trigger application, we are going to select it as IndiaMART. So I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART. Then it is asking for us to select our trigger event, and our trigger event is going to be new leads. After that, we are going to click on Connect. Then you can see it is asking for the connection. Over here it says Add New Connection. So I'm going to click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, it is asking for the CRM key. With the help of the CRM key, we are going to connect Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. For that, what we have to do is we have to open our IndiaMART account. So as you can see, this is my IndiaMART account right over here. We have to click on Profile and then we have to click on Settings. After that, we are going to click on Account Settings. Over here, you can see it says CRM API. We're going to click on it. Then we're going to generate a key by clicking right over here. As I generated the key, I'm going to paste the key right over here. Then I'm going to click on Save. As you can see that I've connected IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh the fields. And after that, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, as you can see over here, a response is received in our Pabbly Connect account. And these are the details of the lead that is generated with the help of IndiaMART. And as I'm going to scroll down, you can see these are the details of the lead that is generated with the help of IndiaMART, and it is captured by Pabbly Connect. So these are the details that is captured by Pabbly Connect. So this means that we have successfully created an automation between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step, and for our action application, we are going to select it as WhatsApp Cloud API. as I want that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically a notification message on my WhatsApp should be received, and we are going to generate that message with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. After that, for our action event, we are going to select it as send template message, because I have created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, as you can see right over here. So this is the template that I've created, and I want that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically with the help of this template, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. After that, I'm going to click on connect in order to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you, on which we have to click on add new connection. After that, you can see over here it is asking for the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So from where we are going to get all of these information from? For that, we have to click on learn more right over here. Then you will be directed to this page on another tab, and if you are going to scroll down right over here, you can see it says how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. If you are going to watch this tutorial right over here, you will be able to learn how to create a setup of WhatsApp Cloud API in Pabbly Connect step by step. And by creating the setup, you can get all the details that Pabbly Connect is asking for right over here. So as I've already created a WhatsApp Cloud API setup in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to open the API setup. As you can see, this is a setup that I've created. And over here you can find all the details that Pabbly Connect is asking for, that is token, phone number ID and business account ID. If I'm going to take you back over here, it is asking for the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So we are going to paste all the information from the API setup that we have created. For that, I'm going to open my API setup, that is right over here. As first it is asking for the token. Over here it says temporary access token. I'm going to copy this token from here and I'm going to paste the token right over here. After that, it is asking for the phone number ID. So I'm going to copy the phone number ID from here. As you can see over here, it says phone number ID, and I'm going to paste the phone number ID right over here. Next, it is asking for the WhatsApp business account ID. Over here in my API setup, you can find WhatsApp business account ID right over here. I'm going to copy this ID from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on save. As you can see that we successfully created a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So firstly, it is asking for the template name. So with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, I have created a template in the name of IndiaMART lead details, and this is the template that I've created, as you can see right over here. And also you can find some variables in this template. As you can see, in place of some values, you can find the curly brackets in front and in the end of these values. So these are the variables right over here, and I want that whenever a new lead is generated, in the place of these variables, the value of that lead should be mentioned. For that, I have created variables in this template. So if I'm going to take you back to my Pabbly Connect account, for the template name, we are going to select it as IndiaMART lead details. So for the template name, I'm going to select it as IndiaMART lead details. After selecting the template name, it is asking for the language code and selected template ID. As soon as you're going to select the template name, automatically the language code and the selected template ID will be selected right over here. So you do not need to do anything with these steps right over here. Next, it is asking for the recipient mobile number. So over here, we're going to enter the mobile number on which we want to send a WhatsApp message to. As I want to get notifications on my WhatsApp number, so in the place of recipient mobile number, I'm going to add my mobile number right over here. So whenever a new lead is going to be generated, I'm going to receive a message on my mobile number. So in the place of recipient mobile number, I'm going to add my WhatsApp number. So as you can see that I have added my mobile number right over here, so that whenever a new lead is going to be generated, with the help of the template of WhatsApp Cloud API, a message will be forwarded on my mobile number. After that, it is asking for the body field 1. Body field 2, as you can see right over here, body field 3 and body field 4. So these are the variables that I've created in my template, as you can see right over here. And I want that whenever a new lead is generated, automatically in place of these variables that I've created right over here, the values of the lead should be added. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from our previous step by clicking right over here. As you can see, this is the previous step that is right over here that says IndiaMART new leads, and this is the previous step. I'm going to click on this arrow right over here, and as you can see, this is the response that was captured in our previous step. So for the body field 1, for the example is dummy user, so we are going to map the data right over here for the name of the user who have generated the lead. So for the name, I'm going to map the name right over here. After that, it is asking for body field 2. For the body field 2, it is given right over here example of a phone number. So we're going to map the data for the phone number. Again, click right over here. Click on this arrow right over here. We're going to map the data for the phone number. After that, it is asking for body field 3, and over here it is having the example of the email address. So we're going to map the data for the email address. Click right over here. Click on this arrow right over here. We're going to map the data for the email address. After that, it is asking for the body field 4, that is customer's address. So we are going to map the data for the customer's address. Click right over here. Click on this arrow right over here. Scroll down, and for the address, I'm going to map the data of the address. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on save and send test request. As you can see right over here, we have received a response, and over here it says that message status is accepted. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number with the details of the lead that is generated with the help of IndiaMART or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp account. And yes, as you can see right over here, we have received a notification on WhatsApp regarding the new lead that is generated in our IndiaMART account. For the name right over here of the lead that is generated. For the phone number, For the email address. For the address over here, the address of the lead that is generated. So this means that we successfully created an automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, my objective was that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically a WhatsApp message of that lead details should be forwarded on my WhatsApp. For that, we have created an automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. And this was the trigger and action step of our automation process. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.